If you too feel unbearable pain every time you lift something heavy, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Sandhya Ravi and I'm back with a special video for housewives. Listen, housewives, on how to lift heavy things safely while doing chores. Before we start, I'd like to congratulate all the women as we celebrate International Women's Day this month. It's not just a freedom celebration. It's the day to celebrate the strength of every woman with which we all stand together and work hard to make the world a better place to live for everyone. Now, let's get started with tips for safe lifting. Number 1. Lifting grocery bags. Shopping, buying something new, just the sound of it excites you, doesn't it? But quickly, the image of carrying those heavy bags comes to mind. Not so exciting anymore. But don't worry, I'm here to make it easier for you. Come with me. Step 1. Keep the bag close to your side before you bend to lift. Step 2. Keep your back straight and bend your knees. Never with your back. I can't stress this enough. Step 3. Make sure your elbows aren't bending while carrying your bags. So don't lift it like this. Make sure like your elbows are extended. Step 4. If you want to change direction, move your entire body. Avoid twisting your hips while carrying the weight. And step 5. Don't let the bags pull you down. Slightly bend at the knee and place the bag on the floor. You will thank me later. See, it was that simple. No need to stretch or struggle. Try this next time you go shopping. Now finish the video first. There are more lifting secrets. Number 2. Lifting laundry baskets. Let it be a laundry basket or a pile of laundry. It is the same action, same effort and same mistake every time. Isn't this how you bend to lift laundry? You need to stop doing this immediately. Improper bending, especially while lifting, can cause strain, sprain or even more serious injuries like herniated disc or vertebral fracture. Yes, I know it happens to like 1 in 5 people, but do you really want to take the risk of being among them? You don't, right? Then let's do this. Step 1. Once again, bend with your knees, not your back. Step 2. Have a tight grip on the basket as you lift and keep it close to your chest as you carry it. Step 3. Don't stress your arm trying to empty the entire basket. Grab a little pile 2 to 3 times to save your arm from twisting. If you need to cover a long distance to do laundry, carry small loads and multiple trips and make sure to take breaks. Number 3. Lifting while gardening. We don't do gardening every day, but that one day a week. We put so much energy into it that we don't realize how badly we are punishing our body. So this is to make your gardening experience less painful and more calming. Because I love garden. Who will say no to garden and nature? Step 1. Whenever you're lifting a pot or a bag of soil, make sure you stand while maintaining a distance between your legs. This will help you to maintain balance. So don't keep your legs closer. Make sure you keep a little bit wider. Step 2. Squat down and use your core muscle, not your arm strength as you lift. So make sure when you're lifting, bend down and use your core as well. Don't lift it just with the arms. Step 3. You might have to bend a little at the start. Make sure your back is straight once you lift it in the air. If you bend while carrying it, your back is carrying all the pressure, not you. Don't forget that. Step 4. Avoid bending or sitting in squat while gardening. Use a small stool as the gardening process takes time. If you are really passionate about gardening, practice it often. I suggest you use tools like wheelbarrows or trolleys to transport heavy items. Number 4. Moving the furniture. I know for a fact that this is an everyday exercise for every housewife because when we are cleaning, we want all the corners to be clean, right? So do it safely, don't forget. Step 1. Before actually moving anything, make sure you have enough space around it so you don't have to struggle. Step 2. Bend at your knees with a straight back, push the furniture rather than pulling it. Step 3. If it's heavy, completely avoid lifting it and simply slide it. No need to lift, slide it. Step 4. Maintain a safe space between the furniture and your legs to avoid injuries. Don't put the furniture on your feet. Step 5. Avoid twisting. Keep your body straight in one line as you apply the pressure to lift or push the furniture. If it's too heavy, please don't hesitate to get help. Since you're a housewife, you're already a superwoman. You don't have to do it all by yourself just to prove that. Number 5. Lifting the children. The most important and the most difficult one, because children move. Whether you're picking them up from the floor or putting them into their crib, it's important to use proper techniques to prevent injuries. Now remember, objects don't move when you're lifting, but children do, and very quickly too. So don't try to lift them while chasing. Just follow the steps what I am going to share it with you. That will make your life easier while lifting your children. Step 1. Before you lift, make sure there is no toys or objects around that can cause you to slip and fall, because when you're lifting, always the toys and objects will be around the children. So make sure nothing is around while you're lifting. Step 2. Kneel down, lift your child keeping close to your body and stand up with a straight back. Step 3. Once you lift your child, use both hands to keep them from moving excessively. Step 4. If you are bending to place them into the crib, keep your back straight and bend a little at your hip and stand up back gently. If the child is old enough to crawl, let them come to you. Avoid chasing and lifting all the time. It's for your own good. I know moms love carrying their kids, but if they can move, please allow them to move freely instead of carrying them always. So there are 5 tips to lift safely for a healthier back. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and press the bell icon to get updates about my videos. Remember, these aren't just techniques to lift. This was a reminder to take care of yourself and take a step towards a healthier and happier you. This is Dr. Sandhya Ravi signing off till the next video.